Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be doing a flower pour. So pouring my paints over this soda bottle bottom and let the paint flow, create some petals. I'll probably do a second lot of petals by twisting it slightly this time. So I've only done this once before and the last one turned out beautifully. So this time I'm going to use my blue and purple palette. And I want to see if I can get a little bit of yellow in the center. So I'm going to experiment there a little bit. I'm going to use some plastic to do the dipping, I guess you call it. Dip the plastic in to pull that up instead of the serviette that I used last time. So let's get started. I've got some Oxide black here that I'm going to use for my base. And I'm going to spread that out a bit. And cover my sides. And I'm just going to give that a little torch to get the bubbles out. Okay, let's place the upside down soda bottom in roughly the middle. And I think I'm going to start with the Pearl Waterfall. That's appropriate that it's waterfall. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, no, I've changed my mind. I'm going to do a tiny bit of this really light colour. Just a really small amount. Just enough to go down each, like that. And let's just take that off. And then, we haven't got any going down here. Got to be careful with my drips. And then let's do the waterfall. Pretty. Such a pretty colour. And the purple, pearl lavender. Going to try the deep violet. Just a bit of darkness here. And then the blue. That's actually manganese. I'm going to add a little bit of what I call my swipe mix, which is just Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I just want to see if that's going to give me some like cells. And a little bit of the pearl again. Creamy pearl colour. I think I'll do another round. The lavender. Deep violet. And the blue. Manganese. Let's go a bit extra with that. All right, I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to turn it just so that the bits that are dripping down go in between. All right, let's try that. So lift it straight up. And put it down. All right, let's try that. And the pearl. Such a pretty colour, that one. Let's do a bit extra of that one. And just in here, I might just add a little bit of Prussian phthalo blue. Ooh. Thought about adding my cell activator, my swipe mix in there, but I've changed my mind. I'm just creating some interesting shapes. I wonder if I should go around again. No, I'm not going to. Put this one. Then I'm going to do get my yellows in the middle now. So what I'm going to do is the pearl. I'm going to do yellow. And I'm going to stop it there. The orange I'm going to add after. Alright. I'm going to just lift this straight up. And then I'm going to get my orange. And I'm going to put a bit around like that. And we'll see what that does. Okay. So I'm going to mark these out. My first petals. And then I'm going to go the second petals. I'm going to take the orange through. Then I'm going to go this way. All right, I'm excited to see how that middle turns out. I'm also excited to see how my plastic works. Now I did get it covered in black paint, so I just went and washed it, just folding it in half. So it's a little bit wet. Doesn't need to be though, I don't think. Okay, here we go. All right, this one I'm pretty sure I'm going to spin out because the last one looked really good when I did that. But let's see how we go. Let's go corner to corner. Oh, that's pretty so far. This is really pretty colour. There we go. That bit, I feel like I need see if this works. Just need to fix it up a little bit, I think. I might be able to create something actually. Let's get the torch out. Looks like we're going to get some cells popping up. The orange. Yeah, I'm going to play with this after I've spun it out, I think. Move that out the way. Bring in my spinner. And let's spin. Got a little bit of strangeness. I'm not going to spin it any more than that. And I'm just trying to work out which way I want my, oh look at these cells, my flower to go. I feel like it needs to go that way, maybe. This is bothering me. I think I'm going to try something to fix that. There. Just wanted to give that a little peek. I don't think I'm going to put any lines on this time. Just going to put dots. Or let's try a little line. Just a couple. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is bugging me a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. I think think I need one more dot. Wasn't the best of dots. Can I add just a little bit more yellow? Fix it. Yeah. Wow. Now it looks gorgeous. That's pretty. That's so pretty. I did think I'd mucked it up a bit, but I think I've recovered it well enough to still look quite pretty. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. I've got the cells popping up around the outside. I love that bit in the middle. Definitely have like a different sort of petals, extra petals than the last video. And that orange and yellow in the middle, I think, just sets it all off. So pretty. We've got the sides. Looks pretty good from there. We've got the different depths of colour. I'm looking forward to seeing how well these metallics or the pearls shine. So I will bring you back for the dry result. Okay, here is the dried result. And we had too much paint on there. Well, I did anyway. It's cracked. But it's cracked in a way that is quite repairable because it kind of outlines these petals. So I will go over it with a brush to define these petals a bit, I think. And once it's dried completely, I'm going to do a resin coat. I'll do a resin coat on this one and the first flower painting I did as well. I want to see them really shine because they're both quite pretty. I love the center of this one. It just makes the whole thing. And I think I've learnt quite a bit about this technique just from doing the two, that I'm going to have another go. I've got a couple of other videos to show you first, but there'll be more of this coming up for sure. If you haven't seen that first video, I will put a link here. And that's it for this one. And I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.